Yeah, so this is how everybody from all over the world will come, and they are advanced course participants with me. This is the kitchen serving food. Now Gurudev will be in silence. This is how you will see Gurudev during all homas. Big homas will happen. And this is I think Chandi Homa or some Rudra Homa. This is on the day of Chandi Homa, last day it will happen. It's so interesting to see how sincerely everybody around and Gurudev will perform these rituals, no? Like you cannot put your eyes off on them when all this peak rituals happens. In between, you will get lost. When meditation happened, you will have no idea. And this is last day satsang when Gurudev will make everybody dance. This is Yagnashala. This is how, see, this is how ashram will look. Now to it is even bigger. This is 2013 when we take Gurudev's darshan, and this is how Gurudev communicates in silence sometimes. Gurudev says on the last day, Shanti Rashtu Pushti, let everybody will have peace, prosperity, contentment. Okay, now this part. So this lady who's researched an aura in ashram has studied over 2000 people. She had come specially to understand aura of Gurudev. She had thought it would be like any other meditator because she said that usually she gets invited to Reiki and other healing workshop, but these pujas gave her a new perspective. So she was telling before Gurudev entered, there was a mixed color. You know, when we were waiting for Gurudev to come in the Yagnashala, representing the then when Gurudev came, green represents healing color. After Gurudev entered, we could see in the photo that green color was spreading like a wave. She said that we are sitting inside complete Gurudev's aura. She said Gurudev's aura is like kilometers. Even the last person sitting into Yagnashala was inside Gurudev's aura. And his love in all encompassing, even till the last person this aura reaches. No one is left out. See, you can see here, there are so many mixed colors. See, these are the, like she was showing a PPT and I took it with my camera, 2013 camera, my mobile camera. So it was not so good. But you can see the colors, right? With her, that aura photography camera. Mixed colors here, red and some violet, some pink and green. So she's telling this mixed colors are like mixed emotions, all mixed. And then again, this is showing some mixed colors. And here, Gurudev started entering from one side, and you see a green color starting. And see now, the green color has spread everybody. Now everybody's aura is green. You can see here.
Yes, yes.
Now you see such deep green after some. Now she says green is the like love, compassion, harmony, healing, all still deeper. Means that green color became dense. So healing, love, compassion all started spreading during the pujas. These are the photos. See, this is little close up. Even there are very less pink and other color. It's all over green. Aura showing good spread of green energy, love, compassion. I'm reading what is written in that photos. Harmony and healing all over. And see here, if you can see, it is Gurudev, only Gurudev, and this is when he got the bhav. If you don't know the bhav, you should attend more Navratris. So you see, all our whole Gurudev is in green color. See, green and this color which is showing now, it is mandap filled with love and compassion. This is what she has written in the PPT. Now, Rishi invocation. During Chandi Homa and different homas, no, what we do is during the chanting, the Veda boys will invite the rishis. And she was saying during invocation, when they were inviting, that time there is like a different energies, color is flowing from the top. And during in a kalash, they will invoke it. Kalash, there will be water. You remember if somebody has attended Navratri on the last day, one of the pandit or somebody will hold that kalash on his head and take a pradakshina, and it will be like very heavy for him. Now we don't understand why it is so heavy, because of this invocation of energy. And she took periodic photos during every invocation. And what she's saying is about the invocation is, see, every passing minute the aura kept on changing. It was like the energy and the colors were coming from the rooftop to the place where puja was happening. Like some energy is flowing from the rooftop to the place where puja is happening. And these are different rishis for which invocation happened. So one by one she explained. He said and showed photos to us also. She says Anusha, Tirya, initially pink and green when they enter the Yagnashala, then complete green near Kalash. Then they again go up as if leaving the Yagnashala for the rishis to come down. Second, Sushila Devi Bharadwaj. This is blue-green color initially near Kalash, entirely green, then becoming dense, leaving the Yagnashala moving upwards. Means we could actually see in this PPT that in one PPT it is showing at some energy is coming down, then it is there for some time, then it is going up. Kumadvati Vishwamitra, very fierce when they enter, red and violet. Then complete green near Gurudev. Same for other rishis, Ahalya, Gautam, Renuka, Jamadakini, Arundhati, Vashisht, Diti, Aditya, Vedavyas. These had complete green color right from the time they entered. Shuka, Kaushik also blue near the top. So one by one I will just show. Then finally she showed the aura photographs of Shakti drop, Ojas Vita, and she says that is also unusual. She's telling I've never seen auras of any particle like that. And she says, so even if we have 1% of doubt, we are if we are on the right track or not. She said, don't think, don't doubt. This especially for logical mind. Everybody will show them these photos. She said, everybody will get convinced. That is why I'm showing all of you today. So see this she says Anushya Athirya. So you can see in the top of the Yagnashala there is a dense color when it is coming, and now it is slowly coming down. And now see, you see all are green, but only where there is a Kalash Puja is happening, there that dense color is there. And this is for Devi Sushila Devi Bharadwaj, different Rishi invocation. And all is once that means that energy is established in the Kalasha, we can see everything is of that energy. This is Sushila Devi Bharadwaj. Every now and then during the invocation, the energy kept on changing, the colors kept on changing. This is Kumudavati Vishwamitra. This is Kumudavati Vishwamitra. And see, when that invocation finishes, again everything turns back to green. This is Ahalya Gautam. I had very bad camera that time. Otherwise, the PPT was very nice. Rishi invocation Ahalya. You will not find this in Google also. Presence, vibrant colors of Gautam and Ahalya Rishi, she's saying. Then she's saying some energy movement going up or lesser during the changeover to next Rishi. Whenever there was a changeover to next Rishi, we could vividly see that some energy is going up and some different energy is coming down. This is then she is telling this after all invocation, everywhere there is a strong green color of grace, abundance. Every color has a different meaning, you know. This aura photographers explain. This is Rishi invocation for Jamadakini, and she's telling all these colors signifies green, abundance, healing. Arundhati Vashisht. This is also Arundhati Vashisht when invocation is going on. This is also an Arundhati Vashisht. This is Diti Aditya Kashyapa. You can see different colors for different rishis. You see the pattern also changes. This is Ved Vyas. This is Shuka. This is Kaushik. Rishi invocation Kaushik. Healing blue and blue from above. See, this is entirely different. And this camera was placed at the same location, mind you. So ideally, in an ideal atmosphere, nothing should change. Every half an hour, if she takes a photo in a where there nothing, no homa is happening, there should be a slight change. And she's telling this entire energy is changing. This is aura of Shakti drop. See, so much of green. This is Ojasvita. And one of the German scientists also once took Gurudev's photo. So this is I got from one of the previous mail using Kirlian photography by aura specialist of Germany. They say it's the biggest they have ever seen. Gurudev's aura is the biggest aura that they have ever seen. Its spread can't be measured as there is no such camera to capture its widespread. Gurudev's aura we cannot capture in any camera only. It is so spread across. They could only see up till it covering the entire Yagnashala and covering each and everybody present there in his own color. That's what when Gurudev comes, even with closed eyes, you could feel because some energy changes. We go inside his aura actually. You don't need to tell him anything. The big yellow halo, like the one we see in God, Goddesses pics, can be seen so clearly. The team says Gurudev's aura heals everybody who comes in contact of his aura. Aura pics available at next page. Shishi Ravi Shankarji's, as I see him everywhere. See, this is I searched in my old WhatsApp. I could not download this pic, but you can still see the colors. You can see it. This is Gurudev sitting and his aura. See the yellow halo and then green spread, and it keeps on going all over. So this was the final picture of the day.